I was thrown. I love your suitcase, 'cause you are just packing up my memory keys. As you go on down the road, touch your heart and touch your soul. It took some time to realize that you're no good, that you're no good for me. I see your face on the silver screen. Black blue eyes were still in my dreams, and you I was strong. Or is it just imagination that leaves me hanging on to your destination? As you go on down the road, touch your heart and touch your soul. It took some time to realize that you're no good, that you're no good for me. Off the wall, just to help me get over you. But I've got something you can't touch. I've got my pride, and I've got my sixth string. As you go on down the road, such a heart and such a soul. It took some time to realize that you're no good, that you're no good for me, that you're no good, that you're no good for me.
Wow. Kelly Vaughn right there from Plano, Texas. Hello, I'm from Texas too. I could be on the bayou, but my heart is still in Texas, y'all. I love that guy's voice. So, Mr. Kelly, could you please keep sending your voice up over here at Songbird Indie Radio, and everybody out there too, if you are listening in and you have been under a rock and sucking on that thing for nutrition, says Mr. Phil Kranz from Black Dog Morning Show, you need to be sending those things over here to songbird.indieradio@gmail.com. If you want to hook up with Mr. Kelly Vaughn, he is, of course, on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and the World Wide Web. Now, guess what? I have a lovely doll face from Canada. She is country, but you would not even know it. It just blows my noggin that peeps from somewhere else. Now, people say that I have an accent. I don't think I do. I could bust into my little British lady at any time of the day. However, I don't think I have an accent. I can fake an accent and talk really, really crazy, but I don't think I have an accent. But these people that have an accent, like we're talking like from Sweden and Norway and Iceland, those kind of accents, okay? From Kirkplakistan, they have accents, okay? But when we get them singing and you don't even know that they have an accent, like talking all kinds of other stuff, it's amazeballs to me. I just think it just blows my mind. Like, you know, and like, with the purple stuff coming out of the head. Anyway, Celine Tellier, gorgeous, gorgeous human being, has 2 back-to-back songs that I'm going to spin for you. Please enjoy. The first one is Whiskey Gets Me, and the second one, Booze and Bullets.
It's one of those days, my head's in a haze. Nothing's going right. My job is a joke, my bank account's broke. But whiskey gets me. Now don't get me wrong, I'm not always gone on a tear. But when I need a shoulder to lean on in moonlight or in neon, whiskey gets me. Dancing on the table, more ham, more maple. There's nothing I can't be. So raise a glass and kiss away my class. Whiskey gets me. When I'm feeling down, he's always around to pick me up and carry me away. Hey, hey, hey. So pour another round, Jack, Jam, or Crown. Whiskey gets me. Dancing on the table, more ham, more maple. There's nothing I can't be. So raise a glass and kiss away my class. Whiskey gets me. So raise a glass and kiss away my class. 'Cause whiskey gets me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just another Saturday night, slamming doors, another fight. You go left, I go right, and making up by morning light. Been this way forever, babe. Mama asked me why I stay like booze and bullets. We just don't mix, but no one else could ever fix. Can't live without, can't live with. You and me, baby, we're booze and bullets. Neighbors called the cops again. Had a visit from our friend Jim. Nothing here to celebrate, but we're sharing bottles of champagne and swear to never, ever, ever do it again. Yeah, like booze and bullets. We just don't mix, but no one else could ever fix. Can't live without, can't live with. Just another Saturday night, slamming doors, another fight. You're going left, I go right, and making up by morning light. Been this way forever, babe. Mama asked me why I stay. Like booze and bullets, we just don't mix. But no one else could ever fix. Can't live without, can't live with. Like booze and bullets, we just don't mix. But no one else could ever fix. Can't live without, can't live with. You and me, baby, we're booze and bullets. You and me, baby, we're booze and bullets. You and me, baby, we're booze and bullets.
Get your monthly dose of crazy every second and last Friday of the month at 7 a.m. Central Standard Time on the Black Dog Morning Show with your host Phil Krantz and Lori Lynn, a.k.a. The Dog and the Bird Hour on WAAKradio.com and 94.7 FM. It's the most anticipated talk show about everything everyone thinks about but is afraid to say out loud. Never leave a dog and a bird alone, honey. You never know what will happen.
When the sun creeps by, then your shadow grows. You can run, you can hide, but it's by your side, and it always knows where the skeletons lie and what it's all about. You can wash your hands, but there ain't no chance you'll get the bloodstains out. Right from the very start until the bitter end. Once you feel him bite, the serpent ain't your friend. 'Cause when your time is up and the chips are down, you're with the bad mistakes like a thorny crown. And the past will haunt you, poison under your skin. We'll all dance in the fire of original sin. At the end of my chain, now it's do or die. And my bones feel old, naked and cold without an alibi. I can drown the pain with the devil's brew. Drop down on my knees, but I find no peace until the debt comes due. When the world is dark and the lights go out,